Konnichiwa, Toreishi desu. This is your motivational study break with My Nihongo lessons. Each video walks you through the Marugoto Plus website and lets you demonstrate what you can do. Let's get started.
皆さん、こんにちは. After your lesson for Goal 1, you are now ready to practice with an interactive website called Marugotoweb.jp. You can see the address right up above. I'll walk you through how to use this component in this short video. When you first log into this website, you'll see this welcome screen. You're going to want to click this pink box and click the enter. The colors are the same as your textbook. Now, we need to choose the topic and the lesson that we are working on. Also, if you scroll down, you will see this other set of cards, and I recommend that you explore the introduction section. So, back up at the top, you're going to click Lesson 1, Hello. This will bring up another menu, and you will click Can Do 1, Exchange Greetings. This is the lesson that you just completed in the previous Marugoto video with me. In this section, it is speaking practice, and you'll see several videos, and you'll have the opportunity to hear different conversations and also to participate in those conversations. This technology allows you to deselect or select certain people who are speaking and how you see the scripts as well. So in this first case, you can see down here, you're going to click the play button and you'll be able to watch this interaction. Down here, you will see the script if you elect to see it. In this section, you can choose which dialogue you are going to hear. Will you hear person A speak or person B speak? You can listen to both of them or neither of them. You can also choose how you want the subtitles to appear. Do you want the subtitles to appear for person A or person B or neither or both? And also you can select how you want to see those subtitles. Do you want to see them only in hiragana, katakana, and kanji? Do you want to see them in romaji? Or do you want to see it translated into English? Of course, you can have all three at the same time as well. After you practice with video 1 and you feel very comfortable with those interactions and that you can do them at the timing of the video, go ahead and take a look at the next 2 videos. These are also conversations that were in Goal 1 in the Marugoto Katsudo book. Finally, you'll scroll down the website after you finish watching the videos. You'll scroll down and you'll see another one. This is called a challenge video. In this case, you're seeing the video from first person. So this is what you are seeing. And you need to select how you want to see the script that's going to be shown to you. Click play and you'll hear people wanting to communicate with you. When you see the 2 speakers on either side that say you, that is your cue to respond to the speakers. You can record this screen on your computer if you want to be able to evaluate yourself later.
皆さん、よくできました. Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. ありがとうございます. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. Mata ne!